behind their property. Now, I can have your dam. Very dear. Opposite now, Constitution Nigeria recognized here. Hello. Let him have it beginning. The legal standing. And then the legal. So the man taking the sun while doing your phone. So I want to stop the mother meeting together. And then the legal. The whereby the constitutional. The hotel program was that the Hawkona, the Beckham was getting a young man. The Hawkona was a prayer women. So, with that, anybody is young idea. Even the Supreme Court has said no way in Hawaii. So, we have been very similar. They say, hallelujah. So it's your property. Hallelujah. Okay. I'm asking 1 plus 1. It's